Have you ever thought about how your mundane tasks could turn into thrilling challenges? While some jobs can become monotonous, AI breathes life into them, fostering an engaging work environment. It views your daily grind through a new lens, one that transforms data into excitement. Picture this. AI meticulously observes your workflow, detecting patterns that surface from repetitive responsibilities. With this insights, it introduces stimulating twists, creating a game-like atmosphere that keeps you on your toes. Engage in friendly competition with colleagues, pushing each other to achieve those elusive high scores. As you navigate through your tasks, the excitement builds, allowing creativity to flutter alongside productivity. Additionally, this gamified approach encourages collaboration, as teams work together to earn collective rewards. What was once tedious becomes an adventure, with every completed task celebrated like a victory in a quest. The technology doesn't just gamify, it makes room for personal growth and development. In a world that thrives on innovation, embracing such tools can redefine how we perceive work, merging the line between duty and excitement. With each challenge conquered, your motivation soars higher, sparking joy in the workplace. Prepare for an exhilarating journey where big accomplishments await at the end of each milestone. Every workday could feel like an exhilarating new level to conquer, ultimately reshaping your professional experience. Imagine you're in the middle of a busy workday when suddenly a notification pops up. This alert informs you that you've reached a new level in your gamified work experience. Excitement courses through you, as unlocking this achievement comes with instant gratification, perhaps a gift card or an extra hour for lunch. The anticipation builds, sparking a surge of energy as you dash to respond to the next customer inquiry, motivated by the chance to continue your climb up the leaderboard. With every interaction, you're not just answering queries, you're embarking on a rewarding journey that transforms routine obligations into electrifying challenges. As you respond to each inquiry, you're not merely addressing a customer, you're engaging in a dynamic quest for points and accolades. AI's innovative approach not only revolutionizes tasks, but also fosters a culture where every achievement, small or large, is acknowledged and celebrated. This shift cultivates a vibrant workplace, motivating individuals to excel and discover joy in their everyday responsibilities. Embrace the future of work, where excitement meets productivity.